What's up, Trevor?
What up?
Nice one. I want to make sure nothing else is all fucked up. This thing's seen some good winters, man. Yeah, I hear clunking on this side, so I know he needs that fucking
I mean, I can check it for you.
sway bar link kind of shit. Everything else is good though.
See if we can get some professional in it.
Don't need to be professional, who cares?
No, I meant not get my fingers covered.
Oh wow, look at that.
Scale.
Wow, barely any oil on your finger. Wow.
There's none.
Oh wow, look at that. Let me see. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Professionalism.
Yeah, I guess that's what it takes. Wow. I mean, this thing's not too bad for how many winters it's seen. It's got, I think, 3.
Oh.
4th one now. It's got a little oil leak there. I think it just needs a catch can, but that'll be fine. Oil looks pretty shitty though. Oh, filter's about to come off. Yep. Here's 309 rear diff. Can't really, I don't think it's marked anywhere, is it? I don't think so. Maybe up there somewhere. But there's also the one-piece drive shaft. Drive shaft shop, one piece. Can't really tell, but yeah, that's basically all the car has for mods.